Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect a Godaddy domain to Blogger. Alright, let's begin. First, log into Blogger and make sure you have a blog set up. Go to Settings and scroll down to Custom Domain. Click on it. Now, log into your Godaddy account and go to My Products. Select the domain you want to connect and click Manage DNS. Copy your domain and enter it into Blogger, prefixed with www. Click Save. You will see an error message saying Blogger cannot verify your domain. This is expected. Next, follow the instructions provided by Blogger. You need to add 2 CNAME records. In Godaddy's DNS settings, delete any existing CNAME records. Then add the first CNAME record, set the name as www, and copy and paste the value. Click Save. For the second CNAME record, copy the name and destination values from Blogger. Paste them into the corresponding fields in Godaddy and save. After adding both records, return to Blogger and click Save. The changes may not take effect immediately, as DNS updates can take between 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes it works within minutes, so be patient. Once it is connected, enable redirect domain and HTTPS availability in Blogger settings. So that's basically how you can connect a Godaddy domain to Blogger. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.